Hey guys, let's talk about the Tapo C310 alarm. So basically you can set up to trigger an alarm every time somebody approaches the camera, and then there's a siren and also a light that flashes, and then this can scare people away, okay? So it's simple to set up. As you can see here, the camera is already working close to the window, and here I have the image in the Tapo app. It's a live image from the camera, and from here I can just come here to this plus signal and get into this alarm menu, right? So here I can just turn it on. It's just simple like this. And then I can select the alarm type. Here you can select only sound, or you can select the light, only light. And then there's also this option for sound and light. So basically here, when somebody approaches the camera, it's going to sound the alarm with the siren and the light at the same time. You see that alarm is going off there because there are some cars passing by, so the camera just triggers the alarm here. And you can change the sound type here. See that I have tone right now, then I can just change to siren, which is a different one, right? Then you can also set up the alarm for the entire day, all day, meaning 24 hours, during the day from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m., during the night from 8 p.m. to 8 a.m., or a custom schedule. You see here that you can choose any day of the week, any time that you want, right? That's the custom one. So super simple, and it works like this. You see that's going off already because of the motion. And unfortunately with this camera there is no control of the volume. So it is what it is. That's the volume that you can hear here. And you can come here and disable, or you can disable from here, from the front page, right? And just be careful also with the detection. If it's not working for you for some reason, you just need to come here and make sure that I have the area selected so the camera can monitor this area instead of just have a specific area like this. You just monitor the entire area. That'll be easy like this. And here select motion detection, and you can just adjust the sensitivity from 1 up to 10. Here is more sensitive and here is less sensitive, right? Just put it here on 6, that's the way it comes. And I'm good to go. I can also do this for the person detection or any other alarm that I want here, okay? So super simple. Basically, that's the way you can set up the alarm for the Tapo C310 or any other Tapo camera, but this one specifically has less features compared to other models that I have here, okay? I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, give your thumbs up, and I see you in the next video.